The class of 2010 Advisory Board has considered a number of highly qualified graduation speakers within our school faculty. After careful consideration of his value to Southeast High and the fact that this is one of his last official duties prior to a well-deserved retirement, the class of 2010 has selected Media Center Specialist Mr. Ken Washio as our faculty speaker. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Washio.
Seniors, it is my honor to speak to you tonight. This is not only your graduation, but mine as well. In a few short days, I will be retiring after 12 years of formal schooling, 4 years of college, several years spent earning 2 master's degrees, and 38 years either teaching students history or working in a media center. That is well over a half-century of being involved in school. As I sat at my high school graduation ceremony, that career path wasn't my plan. But it was a plan that I can only believe was created by someone much greater than me. So what of my career? I hope that you have enjoyed the spirit videos I produced over the time you were here, and I thoroughly enjoyed making them. I hope that during the course of my career I had a positive impact on the lives of the students as well as my colleagues. I remember the first time that I spoke in an audience this large. It was 40 years ago at the University of Akron, 2 days after the Kent State shootings in May of 1970. I had a friend who was shot and killed at Kent State, as Crosby, Stills, Nash and Young sang, "4 Dead in Ohio." He was attending college and was second in his class in ROTC. Yes, upon graduation, Bill Schroeder was going to be an officer in the United States military. He wasn't protesting, so it's ironic that he was killed that day. Bill's death changed my life. We had received our Eagle Scout awards together when we were in high school, and I last saw him alive on Friday before his death. How a few seconds can change everything. But what will the future hold for you? Will there be some event that will change the course of your lives, or has that event already happened? And during this time on earth, what will you do to make a difference? Will the world be a better place because you were here? I can only hope so. Think back to when you first walked the halls of Southeast. Now look at where you are today. The homework, the tests, the athletic games, the music concert, the drama plays, the state and national competitions are all behind you. One door is closing and other doors are opening. 40 years from now, I can only hope that you can say that the doors you opened were the right ones and that you were satisfied with your choices. So now I must challenge you. Each generation of Americans is responsible to leave America better than they found it. Your generation finds America and the world in a bed of a mess. It's going to be up to you to make it a better place and to make our economy grow. It will be up to you to keep America strong. Finally, when you hear the words, "Go Noles," remember that they are not just words about athletics, but also of academics, friendships, and memories. As these beautiful words say, may the road rise up to meet you. May the wind be always at your back. May the sun shine warm upon your face. May the rains fall gently upon your fields. And until we meet again, may God hold you in the hollow of his hand. No matter where you go, no matter what you do, remember that you will always be a Seminole. Go Seniors, and as I always say,